Hi, my name is Brendan Gramco. I'm the spokesperson for the opposition group for these proposed hog barns. I reside at that farm right up there to the northeast, or acreage. It's not a farm, it's an acreage.
Right north of the wetland area?
Yes. Approximately 1,320 feet, plus or minus, whatever. First and foremost problems with these barns is the variances are being requested. Just because they meet the minimum setbacks doesn't mean they meet the rest of the county ordinances. They're asking for special rules for profit at the county community's expense. Everyone has to apply to these rules. Why should any be different? Second, in May of 2016, the county completed a rural site development analysis that recommended these sites not have CAFOs, especially this site. This site is only 39 acres. 40% of it is a floodplain. That was eliminated in the site analysis. Your site analysis told you that this should not have a CAFO. Third, in Section 519 of the Yankton County Animal Feeding Operation Performance Standards, the Planning Commission and/or Board of Adjustment may mandate setbacks greater than those required by the current ordinances to further prospect the possible health, safety, and welfare. I and the people of Mission Hill and the surrounding area which these barns would harm ask that you deny these conditional use permits in the interest of protecting our health, safety, and welfare. Fourth, I want to take a minute and think about who these are benefiting. Are they benefiting the community? No. They're benefiting 3 people. Are 3 people worth more than our community? No. I ask because there's no benefit to the community. These guys don't own the hogs. They're not buying the feed from the Mission Hill mill that they own. Lastly, in Section 1805, conditional uses of the Yankton County Planning and Zoning Ordinance states that the Board of Adjustment shall make written findings certifying compliances are met and that the general compatibility with adjacent properties and other properties in the district and granting the conditional use will not adversely affect the public interest. This adversely affects the public interest. I repeat, your ordinance states the granting of conditional use permits will not adversely affect the public interest. This will affect the public interest, health, and safety. I demand that you deny these conditional use permits. This will create great economic hardship for me. I have not lived in that place a year yet, and this comes to me. That place is all I have. If this barn goes in, the ladies that I talked to from Dakota Rural Action told me that that will no sale because it is just over a quarter mile away from a CAFO. That means I walk away from that place if I want to sell it. I get nothing. That is great economic hardship. This paper right here, this side, I looked online. We've all looked online. This is how this benefits the community. There is nothing here that benefits the community. Anybody else got any questions?
I do. And you don't think that these 3 individuals do anything for the community?
Do they benefit the community by placing these hog farms here?
No. You said they don't prior to that. They don't do any benefit to the community prior to that.
Just the equal. We all benefit the community equal. We all pay taxes equally. That doesn't make them special than me.
No, they're not equal. Everybody pays equal taxes.
Property owners pay more.
That spot right there all flows into the main ditch. That main ditch flows into Clay Creek. Clay Creek flows into the Vermilion River. That flows into the Missouri River. Last spring, that flooded when we had 6 inches of rain. It almost washed the road out. That is right next to a floodplain. You're going to build a hog farm uphill from a floodplain? That makes 0 sense.
That is how many people? 1, right?
Yes.
We've met your time. Is there anyone else who would like to speak or any